Ok, on va faire une petite leçon. On va la traduire en français sur l'hypothèse du zoo.
It's one of the biggest, if not the grandest question in all of science.
Oh oui,
Are we alone in the universe?
oui,
For centuries, this question has captivated the imaginations of philosophers, astronomers, and curious minds alike.
les
The
curieux.
vast expanse of the cosmos, with its
Expanse.
billions of galaxies, each brimming with a multitude of stars and potentially habitable planets, beckons us with its mysteries.
Oh yeah,
So, we
So-
find ourselves at the crossroads of curiosity and science,
curiosité.
pondering a question as old as time
Science.
itself.
Time.
Is there life out there beyond Earth?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's life out there and civilizations out there because, I mean, there are, the piece of the universe we can see, there are of order 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, which is a small patch of a possibly infinite universe beyond. So there's definitely life and civilizations out there. There has to be. But the question really is, how many of them are contactable? How far away do you have to go? It could be you have to go out of our galaxy to get another one. So I think that's the real question. It's internal to our galaxy. Because I don't see we're ever going to be contacting things from another galaxy. So it's almost irrelevant. But inside our galaxy, 400 billion stars, then that's the question. What is there in there?
As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the possibility of alien life becomes not just a whimsical notion, but a question grounded in scientific plausibility. Consider this. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is home to over 100 billion stars, and recent advances in astronomy have led to the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, many of which reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions could support life as we know it. Imagine, for a moment, the diversity of life forms that could exist on these myriad worlds.
Yeah.
Life, as an expression of the universe's complexity, might have emerged numerous times in numerous forms across the vast stretches of space. The laws of chemistry and physics are uniform throughout the cosmos,
Indeed.
suggesting that the processes that sparked life on Earth could be replicated elsewhere. Furthermore, the sheer age of the universe, nearly 14 billion years, provides an ample temporal canvas for intelligent life to evolve.
Oh yeah.
Our planet is a mere 4.5 billion years old in comparison, a youthful entity on the cosmic timeline. In older star systems, civilizations could have risen and flourished, potentially reaching levels of technological advancement far beyond our current capabilities. Yet this brings us to an intriguing paradox.
Hello.
If the universe teems with life, and if intelligent beings have had billions of years to evolve and potentially explore the galaxy, why haven't we found definitive evidence of their existence? This enigma confronts us with a puzzling contradiction between high probability and the lack of evidence.
Oh,
So, as we gaze upon the stars and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos,
des mystères.
we are left with a compelling question that challenges our understanding of the universe
Challenge.
and our place within it.
Wow.
Where are all the aliens?
Well,
There's a thing called the Fermi paradox.
the Fermi
And the point
paradox.
is that let's just take the Milky Way galaxy. There are
Yeah.
something like 400 billion stars in the
Oh,
Milky
that's
Way.
a lot of
And very
stars.
recently, we've been discovering planets around every star that we can survey. We know of 1,000 planets or more now
Indeed.
around distant stars. So it looks like planetary systems are common.
Yep.
So 400 billion, let's say there are 100 billion solar systems. Our galaxy has been around for over 11 billion years, 12 billion years.
Sure.
So the question is, if there were civilizations out there and they'd survived, they should have spread across the galaxy by now, or at least their artifacts, their self-replicating machines, their robots that can go and mine and rebuild themselves and exponentially reproduce to populate a galaxy.
Yeah.
We're not far off doing that. And by far off, I mean, you could give us 10,000 years, but we know we can do that in principle. And then we will colonize the galaxy if we're still around. 10,000 years is the blink of an eye. There's been 11 billion
the blink
years
of
for
an
those
eye.
things to happen. So the question is, why don't we find artifacts of other civilizations? And the answer is we don't know. It could be that they're rare. It could be that civilizations destroy themselves before they get to that point. It could be that civilizations don't explore, although that's hard to understand because exploration seems to be it's the heart of science and the driving force behind civilization in the first place. So it's a very good question, actually, and the answer is we don't know.
Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence
Actually.
leads us to confront the Fermi paradox,
Oh,
the
yeah.
apparent contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the lack of evidence for or contact with such civilizations.
Oh, yeah.
Among the many theories proposed to explain this paradox, one stands out for its bold yet intriguing premise, the zoo hypothesis.
The zoo.
The zoo hypothesis posits that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations are aware of us
Oh,
and
yeah.
are actively observing Earth, much like
Yes.
zookeepers watch over animals in a zoo.
Zookeepers, huh?
According to this theory, these civilizations have
Gardiens
established a
zoo.
sort of galactic quarantine, deliberately avoiding contact with us to allow for natural evolution and socio-cultural development, much as a conservationist would protect a natural habitat from outside interference.
Interesting.
Under this hypothesis, the Milky Way could be teeming with intelligent life,
Yeah.
yet these advanced beings choose to remain hidden or unobtrusive. They may be waiting for a particular developmental milestone or ethical standard to be reached before they make themselves known.
Sure.
This could be likened to a cosmic test, with humanity unaware
test.
participants. Such a scenario would explain the eerie silence of the cosmos and the lack of
Silence.
physical evidence for extraterrestrial visitations. It suggests a universe where intelligent life is plentiful, but intentionally discreet, and where Earth and its inhabitants are part of a vast, unseen experiment or observation. Recently, there has been a resurgence of public interest in the possibility of alien visitation on Earth. This renewed curiosity is fueled by declassified government reports,
know.
advancements in astronomical technologies, and the enduring allure of the unknown.
Hello.
The idea that we might be living in a galactic zoo captivates the imagination, prompting both scientific and philosophical discussions about our place in the universe and the nature of life beyond our planet.
Let's go.
Inception. On va essayer. Go.
2.
Imaginez.
On va essayer quelque chose basé sur Ghost in the Shell, le film.
Par exemple.
Pour voir. Tiens, je connais une synchronisation de conscience.
Conscience.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
This is Major.
Major.
Major Sanaki.
I'm going in.
Go.
You are the first of your kind,
Oh, I
but you're
know.
not invulnerable.
I
Maybe
know.
next time you can design me better.
Yes.
Everyone around me, they feel connected to something. Connected to something I'm not. But are you? You were dying. We saved you. And now you save others.
Trust me, Ray.
I know I have a past.
Oh, yeah.
I'll find out who I was.
Everything they told you was a lie.
Who are you?
Who am I?
They did not save your life. They stole it.
En gros. Oh, la suite. Certes. Allez, on continue. Yeah, sure. Et moi, c'est Wam.
Oshi, who made the anime, came to visit us
C'est
in
l'ancien
production
sniper de l'armée
to see that
française.
world imagined. It's
Programmeur.
pretty spectacular.
Informaticien.
The scale of it is so big, dude. From the beginning, it's very true to the
Un
anime.
poète.
definitely a visionary.
Scott, she's incredible. It's great to start from something that inspires you.
This experience has been like nothing else I've ever had before.
Scott. Yeah, il est fatigué. Sure, Shiva. Yeah.
We created a universe that people haven't seen before.
Oui. N'est-ce pas? Like and subscribe. Bisous, ciao, bisous.
Bye bye. Vous répondez quand vous voulez.